Hello, children. This is Speak It, and the title of our story today is Dan and the Black Fat Cat. And we're learning to read with words having the sound ah. Are you ready? Let's start. This is Dan. Dan has a cat. It is a black fat cat. The black fat cat is Pat. Pat the cat can run fast. Dan likes Pat the cat. Pat the cat likes Dan. That is a black sack. Dan has the black sack. The black sack is on a jack. A rag is in the black sack. We can pack the yam in the black sack, says Dan. Dan will drag the rag on the tap. Dan put the yam in the black sack. That is a mat, says Dan. It is a mat beside a fan. A hat and a pan are on the mat. A lad has the mat. We can sit on the mat, says Dan. Dan put the hat on Pat. Pat the cat likes the hat. We can take a nap on the mat, says Dan. A nap on the mat wag its tail, the cat. Yes, a nap on the mat, says Dan. Dan will pack the fan and keeps the pan on the mat. Dan had a nap on the mat. Dan sat on the mat. Pat the cat sat on the mat. A rat ran to the pan on the mat. Dan ran off the mat. Pat the cat ran after the rat. The rat ran into the black sack. Pat the cat will nab the rat in the black sack. Dad is here, says Dan. Dan's dad is Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam works in a lab. Mr. Sam is here with a cabman. Mr. Sam has a map in his bag. The bag has a bad tag. Mr. Sam left the bag in the cab. We can go to the dam, says Mr. Sam. Dan ran to the cab. Pat the cat ran to the cab too. No cat in my cab, says the cabman. Mr. Sam had a spat with the cabman. Pat the cat is sad. Dan is sad too. Sam and Dan left the cab. Sam and Dan sat with the cat on the mat. We can see the dam on the map, says Mr. Sam. The cabman has left with the bag and the map in his cab. Words having the sound A. cat, fan, cab, rat, bag, pan, mat, hat, yam, map, tag, sack. And here are word families having the sound A in the story. Ab, nab, lab, ad, bad, dad, lad, sad, ag, rag, wag, am, dam, sam. Other examples are an, dan, man, up, nap, tap, at, fat, sat, ark, jack, pack. Good. And before we go, here are a few questions from the story. Dan has a black fat good cat. Number 2. Dan saw a black sack on the correct jack. And here is number 3. Dan saw a mat beside a good fan. Number 4. Dan's dad is Mr. Correct, Sam. Number 5. Mr. Sam works in a good lab. 6. Mr. Sam's bag has a bad correct tag. And here is the last question. Mr. Sam will show Dan and Pat the dam on is correct map. Good. And here is the end of our story. You can click the links below to download the story and worksheet materials. And don't forget to follow us on our social media page on Instagram and Facebook. See you later. Bye.